Today, we will be replacing the side marker lights on this 2002 Chevy Tahoe with all new LED lights from Ayla Lighting. The side markers are located here, and we can access them from under the hood. First, we will remove this plastic cover. There are 7 locking tabs. Remove them with something flat like a flathead screwdriver or this clip remover. Next, we will loosen the grill by unscrewing these 2 locking screws and this bolt. After unscrewing them, the locking tab is released, and you can pull the tab out. Unscrew the bolt in the middle before pulling the locking tabs out completely. Now we can remove the assembly. First, unlock these 2 posts and pull them straight out. Now we can remove the assembly. Next, we will unplug the connectors for both the high beams and low beams. Now we can remove the grill. Undo the locking tabs on the sides by pushing them towards the outside of the vehicle. There are 2 locking tabs in the middle of the grill. You can undo them by pushing on the grill towards you. Now we will remove their lower assembly by unhooking the tabs on each side. The side marker bulb is located here. Unlock it by turning the bulb counterclockwise. Remove the halogen bulb by pulling it straight out. We will be replacing it with this all-new LED light from Ayla Lighting. Notice how the base of the bulbs are a match. This is for easy installation. Insert the new LED bulb by pushing it straight in. Turn the bulb clockwise to lock. Repeat these steps on the other side of the vehicle. Now we can replace both the lower and upper assembly and replug the connectors to the high and low beams. Then we will replace the screws that hold the grill in place. Then replace the 2 posts to lock in the assembly. Finally, we will replace the plastic cover with all 7 locking tabs. Here's a 2002 Chevy Tahoe with all new LED lights from Ayla Lighting.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.